Walk through any parking lot and you'll spot it almost immediately. A small, curved plastic bump sitting on the roof of car after car, shaped uncannily like a shark's dorsal fin. Most people barely register it. The ones who do usually assume it's purely cosmetic, a little styling flourish meant to make a family hatchback look sportier. They're wrong. That fin is doing real work, and most drivers have no idea what's actually packed inside it. Welcome back to Wisdomino TV. Today we're cracking open one of the most ignored pieces of tech on your car and asking, what is that fin actually for? Rewind a few decades and every car had the same solution for picking up the radio: a long, thin metal rod jutting out of the hood, fender, or trunk. Its only job was catching a signal for AM and FM, simple but fragile. Automatic car washes bent them. Kids snapped them off for fun. Parking garages and low branches took their toll. Even normal highway driving stressed them, and at speed they'd whistle and hum with wind noise. Then something changed. Cars stopped being just radios on wheels. Drivers started expecting GPS navigation, satellite radio, cellular data, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, emergency SOS systems, and a growing list of connected car features. Suddenly, one skinny rod wasn't going to cut it, and nobody wanted a roof bristling with 5 separate antennas either. Engineers needed a way to combine everything into one housing. The roof turns out to be the ideal real estate for antennas. It has a clear, unobstructed line of sight to the sky and everything around the vehicle. The catch? Slap a boxy antenna module up there and you get drag and wind noise, exactly the problems automakers were trying to eliminate. The fix was aerodynamic housing shape to let air slide over it cleanly, and the dorsal fin profile happened to do that job beautifully while also looking deliberate rather than bolted on. There's a bonus too, because everything sits sealed inside solid plastic instead of dangling out in the open. It shrugs off the things that used to kill whip antennas. A car wash just glides right over it, but the shape is really just the packaging. The interesting part is what's tucked inside. Pop the cover off and you won't find one old school antenna in there. You'll typically find a small cluster of separate antenna elements, each tuned to a different job, sometimes called a multiband or combo antenna system. A single fin can house components for GPS positioning, satellite radio reception, cellular connectivity, and other connected vehicle functions, often using flat patch-style antenna elements rather than anything rod-shaped. The GPS element listens for satellite signals to pinpoint the car's location. The satellite radio element pulls in broadcasts from orbit. The cellular element keeps the car talking to mobile networks, powering things like live traffic updates, in-car Wi-Fi, remote start apps, and automatic crash notifications. Interestingly, plain old AM/FM reception has often moved elsewhere entirely, frequently embedded in the rear windshield glass instead of the fin. So the fin isn't a one-stop shop for every signal your car receives. It's really one node in a wider antenna network spread across the vehicle. And that's what makes the shark fin so interesting. From the outside, it looks almost insignificant. But inside, it can help package several important wireless systems into one small aerodynamic housing. It's a perfect example of how modern engineering hides complexity behind simplicity. What used to require long metal rods sticking out of our cars can now be integrated into a small, streamlined piece of plastic. So the next time you walk toward your car, take a look at that little shark fin on the roof. It isn't just decoration. It's one of the quiet pieces of technology helping keep your car connected to the world around it. Thank you for watching Wisdomino TV, where everyday questions are explained in simple, easy-to-understand ways. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more fascinating explanations about the hidden technology, history, and engineering behind everyday things. See you in the next one.